What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the show, and in today's video I'm going to give you 5 wood projects that sell fast, and be sure to stick around to the end because I'm going to give you the secret to supercharging your sales. Let's dive in. Well, hey, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the show. Just a reminder, if you are watching this on YouTube, go check out the Handmade Business Secrets podcast. Listen, we've got over 190 episodes now. You're gonna wanna check that out if you're trying to grow your woodworking or your handmade business. So in today's video, I wanna talk to you about the 5 wood projects that I have found to sell the fastest. So number 1 on my list is gonna be custom furniture, and I own Iron by Iron Woodworks. We specialize in custom furniture, and we have built a business with 8 employees with this model. And so we have found that custom furniture always sells really great. Typically, if you're building custom furniture, you're selling it for large amounts of money, and you can scale a business quickly like that. It's what we like to call a high ticket product, which means that I'm gonna have less volume needed to get a lot of revenue each month in sales, okay? With that, custom furniture sells because you're building it custom to the customer's needs, right? They're coming to you, they're saying, I have this specific space, I have these colors, these designs in my house. What can we build that's going to match that? And you're bringing solutions to their problems, okay? Number 2, the second wood project that sells fast is cutting boards. And listen, this is overrun. It is a saturated market, but it's saturated because it's easy to make and they're easy to sell. Again, stick around to the end because I'm going to tell you how to supercharge your sales with cutting boards as we go deeper. Number 3, custom engraved signs. Now, you can build signs, wall decor signs that have cute quotes on them that are focused around family. You can build them for homes. You can build them for home gyms. You can build them for commercial spaces. There's 1,000 different ways to build a legitimate business with doing custom signs. Number 4, and I really love this one, and that is doing patriotic pieces. Okay, so there are so many people in the United States that value living in the United States, right? Whether they're military, whether they just have a patriotic background, whether they just love their country. There are so many different types of patriotic pieces that you can make. You know, you can do flags, concealed gun furniture, concealed handgun signs. You can do an endless amount of patriotic things that you're going to be able to sell, especially if you built out an entire website or an entire business around selling all these different types of patriotic handmade wooden items, okay? The last one, and this one's going to throw you for a loop, but I see these sell like crazy, and that is birdhouses, y'all. It's crazy how much money people will spend on birdhouses. And so the thing that's really great about that is that your cost of materials is always super low. People that love birdhouses, people that sit in their backyard and drink their coffee every morning, they want to have birdhouses. You know, I'll go to these trade shows or these festivals, and there will be people set up with booths with hundreds of birdhouses and just transacting like crazy. Cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. It's wild. And so those are 5 wood projects that sell fast, that sell really fast. And I want to give you the secret to supercharging your sales with any of these things. Number 1 is know your niche, okay? Know who are you trying to sell to and what are they interested in the most, okay? That's the first secret. But then the second secret is if you can customize, engrave, or offer gifts inside of any of these product lines, inside of any of these niches, you're going to supercharge your sales. Because if you have, let's say, a regular cutting board, and then you have a cutting board that's engraved with a family's name on it, you can charge probably twice as much for that cutting board, and it's customized to that family. If you're doing furniture, but you can customize it, if you can engrave something in the bottom corner of the table, you're going to be able to charge more money, right? If you offer a gifting service where people can go to your website and they can enter in custom what they want on the cutting board or on the wall sign or whatever that might be, you're going to supercharge your sales. Because if you just have standardized things that you offer, these are the only things that we do, you're going to capture a part of the market. But what if you say, hey, we can do anything for anybody as long as we have the way to customize it? You're going to capture a lot bigger portion of the market. So with that being said, wanted to keep this video super short for you. 5 wood projects that sell fast. Hopefully this was helpful to you. If so, let us know in the comments below. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you do that because you're going to want to stick around to learn everything that there is to know about building a woodworking business. So with that being said, love you guys, appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.